Hello, this is Raina. Thank you for joining me on my crochet channel. And today we'll make a new doily. And I found the pattern in an old magazine, and this one had a French name, which I translated to in English. It's Sweet Pea doily, so that's what I'm calling it. And I made it in a few different colors. I think it looks especially good in this lilac. But I'm using a pink thread in this tutorial to show you how to crochet it, because I think it's a little bit easier to follow with that color. And my doily measures, the pink one is about 14.5 inches. And the other ones are about 14 inches. So it looks like the pink is tiny bit thicker thread than the other ones. Sometimes it happens. I used the exact same crochet hook, 1.75 millimeters. And it also depends on how you block it. Maybe I stretched the pink one more. So this doily is quite easy, I think, to make. It has 15 rounds. It does have some challenging parts, some stitches, but I think that's great, because that's how you can learn all these new skills and techniques that makes these doilies so pretty. So let's get started. And here's the diagram of the doily, which I found online. I'm using Aunt Lydia's crochet thread size 10 and crochet hook size 1.75 millimeters. Because I crochet quite tightly, you may want to use the hook 1.5 millimeters to get the same size. So it's up to you. You can experiment which one works better. And we start with slip knot. And then we chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join this into a ring with a slip stitch into the first chain. And our first round, we start with 3 chains, 2, 3, and now double crochet twice into the ring, 1, 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now double crochet 3 times into the ring, 1, 2, 3. Again, chain 3, and now do this repeat when you have 6 of these 3 double crochet parts. I did 6 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 3 more and join the ring. Make a slip stitch into that third beginning chain here. For the second round, first we need to slip stitch into those first 2 double crochets. So 1, 2, and also slip stitch into the chain space. Then chain 3 and double crochet twice into that same chain space, and chain 3, and now double crochet 3 times into that same chain space. 1, 2, 3, The next step here, we need to chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now find the next chain space and do 3 double crochets in here. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and into the same space double crochet 3 more. 2, 3, and now again chain 13, and then continue this all around. And when you get to the end of this round, to that last long loop, instead of chaining 13, we're gonna do this. So I have 5 of these here, and my 6, the last one goes like this. So chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we're gonna do this. We need to end up in the middle of the loop to start round 3, not here. So now yarn over 4 times, 3, 4, and then insert your hook into that beginning 3rd chain here, pull yarn through, and now do as usual your double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 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 yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There. And now we're up here in the middle of that big loop to start round 3. And start with 3 chains, and now double crochet 8 times into this next space here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And next we're going to skip all of that, double crochets, chain, double crochets, and reach over to the next loop, the 13 chain space right here. And now we need to do 9 double crochets, because here we started with 3 chains. It counted as the first double crochet, so we need to have 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now chain 3, 2, 3, and do 9 more into that same space here. 2. After you've done 9 double crochets on this side, again skip this part and reach over to the next loop here and start your 9 double crochets in here, and then just repeat. Do 9 double crochets, 3 chains, and 9 more double crochets into the same space. And when you're done with the last 9 double crochets here in that beginning loop, we're not going to chain 3. We're going to do again differently. Chain 1 instead, and half double crochet into the beginning 3rd chain. So yarn over, insert hook into the beginning 3rd chain, pull through, and pull one more time through all loops on hook. And now we can start round 4. So chain 3 and double crochet 3 times into this same space here. 1, 2, and 3. 3 chains count as first double crochet. We need 4 here. And next chain 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I need to find the 4th double crochet from this side to insert my hook in. So 1, 2, 3, and 4th. And I'm going to do single crochet stitch in here. Okay. And then chain 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, count the 4th double crochet on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4th, and insert hook here and make single crochet. And again, chain 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you can reach over to that next 3 chain space here on top and make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now here, chain 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And into that same space again, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how we began this round, with the 4 double crochets. The next step is chain 7, single crochet into the 4th double crochet here, chain 5, single crochet into the 4th double crochet on the other side, chain 7, and then 2 again this part. And not to worry about the curling of these rounds so far, because it's going to flatten out later on. So this is absolutely normal. So this is how it looks at the end of round 4. Again, we don't finish with 5 chains. We're gonna do 2 chains, 1, 2, and then double crochet into that beginning 3rd chain. Yarn over, insert hook here, and do the double crochet. So we're in the middle here. And now round 5. It's going to start with 3 chains again, and double crochet 3 times into this space. 1, 2, 3, and now double crochet into the next 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. We skip the last one here, and we have total of 7 here. Next, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now find the 4th chain on that 7 chain space. So it's the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4. yarn over because we need to do a double crochet in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. But don't finish this double crochet because we're gonna do the next one. It's kind of like 3 double crochets together, and before finishing, leave these 2 last loops on hook, yarn over, and now find the 3rd chain on that 5 chain space here, insert, pull through, and pull through first 2 loops on hook. Again, leave the last loops on hook. We need 1 more, so now you have 3. Yarn over and find the 4th chain on this one, pull through first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on hook, and now we can pull through all of them at once. And we're still not finished with this part. We now have to do a 3 chain picot on top of it. So 1, 2, 3. And how I do it, I insert my hook through all of these loops here, pull through them, and also pull through the chain. So pull through them all at once. That's how I found it looks the best. So now we're done with this part. Chain again 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip this first double crochet and double crochet into the next, and also into the next. 1, 2, 3 here, and 4 more into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, so we have total of 7. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and start over. Double crochet 4 times in here, then 3 more here, skip the last one, chain 5, do your 3 double crochets together, and do a 3 chain picot on top of it, and then chain 5 again, and repeat this all around. So after this round, you'll see how it's starting to flatten out. So that's good. And to finish round 5, chain 2, and then double crochet into the beginning 3rd chain here. And now we're ready for round 6. Starts with 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we need to make a double crochet into that first 3 chains here, this one. Next, chain 2. Skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and double crochet into the next. But don't finish this one because we're doing 2 double crochets together. So yarn over again, and now insert your hook into the last double crochet here. So again, skip 2, 1, 2. Insert hook here in the last one, pull through first 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on hook, and pull through them all. And next, chain 21. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And now reach over to the other side, skip all of that here. Get ready to do the first double crochet and insert hook into the first double crochet on this side. And again, don't finish it, pull through first 2 loops, leave these on hook, yarn over, skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, insert into the next, pull through first 2 loops, and now pull through remaining 3 loops. So we'll get that same little triangle here that we did over here. And now chain 2, skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and double crochet into the last one. Chain 2 more, and now find the middle 3rd chain here and double crochet into that. And chain 5, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to double crochet into that same middle chain here as the last double crochet into the same space. And then we repeat. Chain 2, double crochet here, the first double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, insert hook into next, start the double crochet but don't finish, and insert into the last double crochet, pull through first 2 loops. We're doing our triangle here again, and now pull through all 3. And now again chain 21. So repeat this all around. I'm at the end of round 6, and instead of 5 chains here for the corner, again I chain 2 and now double crochet, find the 3rd chain here and double crochet in it. And now round 7, start with 3 chains, 3. Now do 2 double crochets in this space here, 2, and next double crochet into that 3 chain 1 here. Now we have 4. Make 2 double crochets into the next chain space, 1, 2, and double crochet also into the next double crochet. So we need to have 7 here total. And next, get ready to make a new double crochet on that long chain, and for that count the 4th chain. So skip 1, 2, 3 and insert into the 4th. Again, we need to do 7 double crochets here, and because the chain count matches how many double crochets we need to do, I like to double crochet into each chain here. So 2, I insert my hook into that chain, not under the loop, but into the chain. I find this way it will be a little bit more even. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our usual corner. And now skip next chain, skip this one, insert hook into the next, and again 2 7 double crochets into the chains. And when done with these, skip these chains, the triangle, these chains, and double crochet into this double crochet. So 1, 2 into the chain space, 1 into the next double crochet, 4, and 3 more into the corner, 5 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 7 again, and 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and now repeat 3 chain double crochets here, 4th here, 5, 6 in this space, 7 in this double crochet. Reach over to the long chain, count the 4th chain, do 7 double crochets here. And to finish round 7, again chain 2 and double crochet into the 3rd beginning chain here. And round 8 starts with 3 chains and double crochet 3 times into this space here. 1, 2, and 3. So we need 4 here. Now chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need to do a now double crochet in the middle one here. So it's the 4th one. Skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th, and make 1 double crochet here. And now reach over to the next 7 double crochet part and do again double crochet into the middle one. So 1, 2, 3, 4th in here. And I'm not doing 2 double crochets together here. I'm doing 2 separate double crochets. Now chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and reach over to the next 5 chain space and do 4 double crochets here, corner, 2, 3, 4, chain 5 for the corner, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet 4 more into the same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now repeat 7 chains, double crochet into the middle one here, then reach over to the other side, double crochet into the middle one here, and chain 7 again, and then do this part in the corner. Repeat this all around. And finishing round 8, same way, 2 chains and double crochet into the beginning 3rd chain. And now round 9, chain 3 and double crochet 3 times into this space. 1, 2, 3. Now we need 3 more double crochets, so do 1 in each here. 1, 2, and 3. We skip the last one here. So again we have 7 total. And now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I need to do double crochet into the 5th chain. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one. Insert hook here and do double crochet. Then chain 5 again, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the same on the other side. So this side, count the third one, 1, 2, 3, and do double crochet here. And again, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now skip that first double crochet and double crochet into the next one. So we can do 3 here, 1 in each, 2, 3, and 4 into the 5 chain space. 2, 3, 4. So we have total of 7. Again, chain 5 for the corner and repeat. 4 double crochets into the same space, 3 double crochets here, skip last one, chain 5, double crochet into the fifth chain here, chain 5 more, double crochet into the third chain on that side, chain 5 more, and repeat the corner part. And to finish up round 9, same way, chain 2 and double crochet into the third beginning chain here. Okay, and now round 10, chain 3, and now double crochet 4 times into this space right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 5 here, and now we need 4 more, 1 in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now here we have 9 in total, 9 double crochets. We skip these 3 here and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now get ready to do the 3 double crochets together, and we're gonna do it inserting hook first in this double crochet, then second into this chain space, the middle one, and the third into that next double crochet. So let's see. So first insert in this double crochet, pull through first 2 loops, leave the remaining 2 on hook, in yarn over and do the next one in chain space, pull through first 2 loops, and now leave your 3 loops on hook, yarn over and insert hook into that next double crochet, pull through first 2 loops. We now have 4 loops on hook and pull through them all. And as before, we also need to make 3 chain picot on top of this. So 1, 2, 3. I insert my hook now through all these loops here below and pull through all of them, as well as my loop on hook there. And now chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now on the other side, skip first 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and start into the next. Do 4 2, 3, 4, and now 5 into this chain space. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 for the corner, 5 chains, 5, and again 5 double crochets into this space. So repeat this, 5 in here, 4 more here, so total 9. Skip 3 double crochets here, chain 6, do your 3 double crochets together and the 3 chain picot on top of it, and chain 6, and then again 9 double crochets. Repeat this all around. And this is how my doily looks after round 10. So again, not to worry about the curling at all, because we're gonna block this when we're finished. And again, finishing our round 10 with 2 chains and double crochet into the beginning 3rd chain here. Now round 11, we start with 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now double crochet into that first one here, the 3 chain that counts as the first double crochet, to 1 in here. Chain 2, skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and double crochet into the next. Again, chain 2. Again, skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and start double crochet into the next, but don't finish because we're doing 2 double crochets together for the little triangle. So yarn over again, skip next one, and insert hook into that last double crochet. Pull through first 2 loops, and now pull through all 3 loops. And next, chain 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And reach over to the next side, skipping all of that. Again, 2 double crochets together to make the little triangle. So we start in this first double crochet here, insert, and pull through first 2 loops, leave 2 last ones on hook, yarn over, skip 1 double crochet, insert hook into the next, pull through first 2 loops, and now pull through all 3 loops on hook. And that's our triangle here. Chain 2. Now skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and make a double crochet into the next. Chain 2. Again, skip 2 here and double crochet into the next. Okay, one more time, chain 2. Now find the middle chain of the 5 chain space and double crochet in here. And now do the corner 5 chains, 3, 4, 5. And then start with double crocheting into that same space as the last double crochet here. And we repeat now. chain 2, double crochet into that first double crochet here, chain 2 more, skip 2 double crochets, do 1 more double crochet, chain 2 more, and do your little triangle, 2 double crochets together, and chain 19. So this is the round 11. Repeat this and finish round 11 again with 2 chains and double crochet, and find the third chain here. Round 12, chain 3, and then double crochet twice into this chain space, then double crochet into that next chain. Now we have 4, double crochet twice into the next chain space, then once into the next double crochet, again twice into the next space, and 1 into the next double crochet. So we need to have 10 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And now into this long chain loop, we also have to do first 10 double crochets. So we're gonna reach over from here, and how I like to do it here is to count the third chain, 1, 2, 3, make my first double crochet into that, and then the next 9 just under the chain, not into the chain. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's because I don't have the chain count, doesn't match the double crochet counts. So if I would double crochet to each chain, I wouldn't have enough chains. So that's why I'm doing it this way on round 12. And here the corner, as usual, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then same on the other side, double crochet 9, 2, and then the last 10th double crochet, find the third chain, 1, 2, 3, and do it in there into the chain. That's how the double crochets will nicely stay in place here on this large loop. And to continue, reach over, skip this triangle here, reach over to the next double crochet and do your first one in there, and then just repeat twice in the space, 1 in here, twice in space, 1 in double crochet. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 7, and 3 more, 8, 9, 10 in the corner chain space, and then chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and repeat on the other side. 3 double crochets here in the same chain space, 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, and then repeat the long loop double crochet into the third chain, and then 9 more into the just underneath the chain. And on this round you will again see a little bit more curling on the edges, because we made so many of the double crochets. But again, this is okay. It definitely needs blocking when you're finished. And finishing round 12, 2 chains, double crochet into the beginning third chain. Round 13, chain 3 and double crochet 3 times into the space. 1, 2 and 3. Next, chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we need to make a double crochet, 1 double crochet stitch. I'm going to count the 6 into the 6th one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make 1 double crochet. And on the other side we'll count the 5th one, so it's on that same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then reach into that corner chain space and make 4 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then corner 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now repeat. Chain 6, then count 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this one. Make your double crochet in here, and then count 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make the 2nd double crochet in here. And so this is not 2 double crochets together, as you saw. I did 2 separate double crochet stitches. And after that, again, chain 6 and to the corner part. So this is round 13. And finish round 13, 2 chains and double crochet into that beginning 3rd chain. Round 14, start with 3 chains and 3 double crochets in the space here. 2, 3, and now we need 3 more double crochets, so 1 in each. 1, 2 and 3, and so we have 7 double crochets here. We skip that last one. Then chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and now find the 4th chain on this 6th chain space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, insert hook and do single crochet in it. Then chain 4, 2, 3, 4, reach over to the other side, and now count the 3rd chain here. 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in it. Chain 4, 3, 4, skip the first double crochet here and double crochet into the next, and do 3 here, 1 in each, and 4 double crochets in a corner chain space. 3, 4, total of 7 here, and chain corner 5, 3, 4, 5, and repeat. Do 4 double crochets in the same space, 3 more here, skip the last one, chain 4, find the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet in it, chain 4, find the 3rd chain here, single crochet in it, and chain 4, and then start over. And finish round 14 as before, chain 2 and double crochet into the beginning 3rd chain. And we have only one more round to do. It's 15. And again, start with 3 chains and 3 double crochets into the space here. 2, 3, and now we need 3 more double crochets, so 1 in each, 1, 2, 3. Again, we have total of 7, and we skip these 4 here. Then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now again, get ready to do 3 double crochets together. So yarn over, then count the 3rd chain on this first 4 chain space, 1, 2, 3, and start your first double crochet into that. Pull through first 2 loops, leave 2 loops on hook, and then do the second one into that middle 4 chain space, pull through first 2 loops. You have 3 loops on hook now, and now the 3rd one, count 2nd chain on that 4 chain, 1, 2, and we do it in here, pull through first 2 loops. Now have 4 loops on hook and pull through all of them. And also we need to do again 3 chain picot on top of it, 1, 2, 3, insert hook through all these stitches and pull through, slip stitch. So now this is done, and chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here again, skip first 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do 3 double crochets, 1 in each here, 2, 3, and now 4 double crochets into the corner space, 2, 3, and 4, total of 7. And now instead of 5 chains, we're gonna do picot on each of these corners. First, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now count the 2nd chain from the beginning, 1, 2, insert hook in here and slip stitch. That's our picot. And then chain 2 more, and now double crochet 4 into that same space here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue on the same way. Double crochet 3 more here, 1 2 3 to have a total of 7. Then chain 5 to your 3 double crochets together, and to the 3 chain picot on top of it, chain 5 more, and then the corner piece, skip first 4 double crochets to 3, 4 more into the space, and for the corner picot, chain 6, slip stitch into the second chain from the beginning and chain 2 more, and then start over. So this is how my doily looks after the last 15th round. As you see, it's quite curly. Just wanted to show you, after you're done with that last picot, 2 chains, just slip stitch into the beginning 3rd chain, and you can cut off, fasten off and cut off thread. And so next I'm going to block my doily and show you how it looks nicely in shape. And here is my blocked doily. So what I did was I put pins on each of these corner picots and stretched it quite a bit to get it all flat. And I also used spray starch, and then I left it drying overnight. You don't need to use spray starch. I just like it because it gives it a nice firm shape and look. So I hope you have fun with this tutorial, and you can make beautiful doilies. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Check out the written pattern on my website, and happy crocheting!